Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. Join your palms, close your eyes. Prayer. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः श्रीब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं विश्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुत्वं नमामि अज्ञानतिमिरान्तस्य ज्ञानाचलचलाकया चक्षुरुं मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Thank you. Yes, Jai Gurudev. Happy morning to all of you. So today we are going to revise lesson about water. Yes, do you remember you have learned one lesson about water, the importance of water, how we are getting water. Yes. So today we are going to revise that. Yes. And everybody listen the class carefully. Yeah, Rupavati ma'am.
हाँ मैम कनेक्ट हो गए हाँ मैम आई कंटिन्यू ओके थैंक यू नमस्ते बच्चों नमस्ते बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका इस बारिश के दिन में भी यू वेक अप अर्ली यू जॉइन क्लास इट्स फील लाइक वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आर शोइंग सो मच इंटरेस्ट इन जॉइनिंग हिंदी क्लास वेरी गुड बच्चों वेरी गुड अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द लेसन ऑफ Pani. Okay, because you already know that. Yes, all the slides has been taught. Let's see what you understand. We will have a short game on that Pani. Okay, so everywhere when you wake up, when you open the window, everywhere what you can see? Everywhere you can see Pani, Barish, that is rain you can see. Yes, no? Then you will see what? Then what you are seeing? Yes, your floor or wherever you walk up or you go a step ahead, you can see a pani everywhere, no? So let's see, let's have an importance of pani and I told you how to save water and let's see. Okay, chalo, एक minute, हाँ, मैं share करती हूँ. साधना मैम क्या आप देख सकते हो?
Yeah, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
ठीक है मैम. Yes, thank you मैम. ठीक है. चलो बच्चों बताओ ये क्या है? पानी है ना, पानी है. सो पहले स्लाइड में ठीक है. ओके. सो हम कैसा पानी पीना चाहिए? सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वाटर वी शुड ड्रिंक? हम What is written here? हम बोलो, हम का मतलब है वी। हम साफ पानी पी, साफ का मतलब है क्लीन। यस, हम साफ पानी, पानी का मतलब है वाटर, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट। और पीते हैं मीन्स वी ड्रिंक साफ पानी, दैट इज व्हाट, क्लीन वाटर। समझ में आए बच्चों? यस, हम साफ पानी पीते हैं विच मीन्स वी ड्रिंक, नॉट ड्रिंक और टू ड्रिंक। हम कैसा पानी पीते हैं? साफ पानी पीते हैं। सो बताओ, हम डैश पानी पीते हैं। आपको क्या लिखना है? साफ पानी। साफ का मतलब क्या है? clean water. Yes, it is very important to drink a clean water, hot water and boiled water, filtered water. That is the message here. Okay, so हम साफ पानी का मतलब है clean, pure. इन टेक्स्ट बुक में हमको क्या दिया है? प्योर दिया है, ठीक है, साफ प्योर। सो यू हैव टू ड्रिंक क्लीन प्योर वाटर। समझ में आए बच्चों? यस, ठीक है। साधना मैम, आप देख सकते हो क्या मेरा एनोटेशन क्या है? आप देख पा रहे हो ना?
या मैम इट्स क्लियर।
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है। अगला स्लाइड में हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं। So this is the climate where we have everywhere cold, no? So you should take bath in hot water. But here during the summer time you can you can take bath in ठंडे पानी. That is the thing here. हम again, हम का मतलब again क्या है? We, ठीक है? We, हम का मतलब है we. ठंडे which means cold water. कैसे पानी? ठंडे मीन्स कोल्ड, COL। हम कैसे पानी से नहाते हैं? ठंडे पानी। बट नाउ यू हैव टू टेक बाथ इन गर्म पानी। ठंडे का विलोम शब्द, दैट इज ऑपोजिट शब्द है गरम। ठंडा गरम, ठीक है। साफ गंदा का मतलब है dirty water. So you should never drink dirty water. Tell me what will happen if you drink dirty water? हमें बीमार पड़ेंगे. We will fall sick.
Breaking, ma'am.
मैं signal, I'm standing where the signal is there, ma'am. Still it is breaking, ma'am.
Breaking, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is clear.
Okay. Thank you so much for informing. Thank you all. Put off your mic. Okay. Is it my voice is audible for the students, ma'am? Shall I continue or shall I wait for mother signal, please? Now it's clear. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. You continue, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. Thank you all. Okay. ठंडे और ठंडा. See the spelling? ठंडे. Okay. So उसका क्या है? Cold water. Okay. That is what? Cold. COLD लिखा है मैंने. ठीक है. से नहाना, स्नान करना, नहाते, this all comes under one word. Can you tell me what is nahana? Or can you see the picture and tell me what the boy is doing? Sadhana ma'am, what they are writing?
Yeah, ma'am, to bath.
To bath. So poor children, very good. Those who have put in the chat, they deserve a star in their hand. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. नहाते का मतलब है to bath. Thank you so much. You understand so much. नहाना, Can you tell me what is स्नान करना? जब बहुत जल्दी I get up, I wake up, बहुत जल्दी मैं स्नान करती हूँ. Means स्नान का मतलब be to bath. नहाना का मतलब be to bath. मतलब means meaning. ठीक है, मतलब means meaning और शब्द. Okay. Or meanings means shabdarth. Okay, so you should understand little word which I'm using in Hindi. You should understand. If you don't understand, again I will tell in English. But you should try to understand what is matlab, ma'am, what is nahana, everything both in English and Hindi. Okay, ठीक है. बताओ अभी ठंडे. ठंडे का मतलब है cold. Super. Or cool. Do you take bath in cold water? During this climate, you should say हाँ या नहीं in Hindi. You should say हाँ या नहीं.
No.
No, super, very good. बहुत अच्छे बच्चे showing so much interest during this rainy time. Also, you joined and you are showing so much interest. I feel happy to teach you all. Super, very good. Next, now tell me, नहाना का मतलब है to bath. Okay, so what time you get up and take bath? What time? कितने बजे? टाइम का मतलब है बजे. कितने बजे आप स्नान करते हो? Means what? What time you wake up and take bath? बोलो. 9 बजे, 8 बजे. अभी स्कूल तो चालू होने वाला है. Now school is going to open. So you should cultivate the habit of getting up early, drink some hot water. Then you have to start your saaf water or garam pani. Okay, then you have to start your day with taking bath, brushing. Then you have to come rush to school on time. It's very important. Okay, super. Now tell me. Now you know what is nadi. By now you should know what is nadi because everywhere the water is rushing here and there. Nadi का मतलब है river. Water is rushing. You can see somewhere. Or you can ask your parents when they go out. You don't go out nowadays because it is raining. Nadi. Nadi का मतलब क्या है? River. This I'll ask you in fill in the blank. So you should know to write. बड़ी ई की मात्रा. See here, na. There is no vyanjan. Sorry, there is no matra there, na. Don't say na. It is aki matra. If you say na, it is not nadi. It is nadi. Okay. So बड़ी ई की मात्रा. It is di. ठीक है. Next you have. एक मिनट हाँ. अभी बताओ तालाब का मतलब क्या है? तालाब का मतलब क्या है? You can see in your nearby or anywhere, wherever you go, you can see talab. It is our responsibility or it's our duty to keep our nadi, talab and well what? Clean. Why we should keep clean, bachon? Why? हाँ, very good. Because it gives us saaf pani. From there we are getting a water. If you make it dirty, if you make it ganda, what will happen? What will happen if you make it ganda? We will also get ganda pani. Then what will happen? You will start using it for your day-to-day life. And what will happen? You will fall sick. So it is first step to make this place or pond, talab or well पूरा एकदम clean का मतलब हिंदी में बोलो साफ. ठीक है? Okay, super. Next we will see. Can you guess what is there in the next? Next you have Kuma. Have you seen a well somewhere? Have you seen Kuma? Yes? mostly in village, no? In village you might have seen कुआं. कुआं का मतलब क्या है? Well. ठीक है? It is what? Well. Have you seen? Okay. If you not seen, in mostly it will be in village you can see where your grandmother will be using it. Okay, well, this is also a important source. Okay, this is the most important thing that we have to keep very clean because what happened inside we have some other insects like fish or tortoise. Everywhere we can survive there. They can survive here. So this is the place where you can keep clean. You should not throw anything inside. Okay. And you should not see also. You should not get very deep inside and see. Okay. So Kuwa. Kuwa also what? You have to keep this place clean. Okay. Next slide. It's very important slide. Can you see somewhere everywhere dry, ekdam suka. Suka means dry. Can you tell me why this has happened? What man has done to the natural resource? God has gifted us water. God has gifted us nature, plants, tree, insect, we are so lucky that God has given us many things to survive, we get oxygen. Okay, but what man has done to them? Can you tell? Sadhana ma'am, क्या type कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, it is
No
deforestation.
Water. Yeah.
No water. Super. But means when you go to higher class 3, 4, you will come to know the new word called deforestation. मतलब क्या है? Where there is no water, where man has cut down all the plants and it's very difficult for animal to survive. That's why what animal do? It comes in the place where we live. Because they don't have a place. Their home is tree. Many birds' home is tree. Then some animals lie under the tree. But what happens when there is no water? Every place, what happens? Ekdam dry, suka. And man also, what they do? In fact, they cut down. So there is no water, no life. See this very slide where you can see the Adi part, that is half part. Adi part, that is half part, there is no water, see there. And where you have, there is a life, that is water. Wherever the water is there, there is life. So this is the main thing where we are getting rain. You have to save the rain water. So we are lucky that we are getting enough amount of rain water. So it is our duty to save it. Okay, never you waste it. Okay. एक मिनट बच्चा. ठीक. Next see, a world without water. मतलब पूरी दुनिया. World मतलब दुनिया. Okay. और पृथ्वी means earth. What happened? एकदम सूखा means very dry because there is no water. So this is the message what we are getting. So it is our each individual का responsibility है कि हमें पानी को बहुत save करना है. So see the thing what is written in your slide और आपकी किताब में भी है. पानी के see पानी के बिना means without. Without water. Pani ke bina. That is what pani means water. But bina is without water. So imagine without water, one whole day, at least you imagine. Don't do like that. Just imagine whole day you don't have water. What will be your whole day? It will be हमारा जीना. जीना means our life. हमारा जीवन जीना कैसे होता है बच्चों? हमारा जीना कठिन होता है. एक मिनट में लिख लेती हूँ. हमारा एक्सक्यूज मी. सो हमारा हमारा जीवन कैसे होता है? दिस इज हमारा मीन्स अवर्स. ओ यस. हमारा जीना 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 मीन्स जीना, लाइफ लाइफ विदाउट वाटर. हमारा जीवन के जीना कैसे होता है? लाइफ जीना. और टू सर्वाइव जीना, लाइफ और सर्वाइव. I know you'll ask this question again and again. See here, again I'm saying, पानी के बिना हमारा जीना कठिन. कठिन का मतलब है very 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 difficult. The above slide also you have seen क छोटी ई की मात्रा टी न कठिन. This I will ask you for fill in the blanks. कठिन means what? Difficult or we cannot survive. साधना मैम, क्या आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं? मैं पानी पी कर आती हूँ.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay.
हाँ,
Okay. So the meaning of the sentence, पानी के बिना हमारा जीवन कठिन है. Kachin means difficult. Yeah, someone has written in the chat box, impossible. Our life will become impossible without the water. Yes, can we live without the water? Because for everything in our day-to-day life, we need water for bathing, for drinking, for cooking. Every purpose we need water. So it's a very essential. And without the water, the life will become very difficult. Kathin means very difficult. Yes. पानी के बिना means without water. हमारा, our. जीना means life. Kathin means difficult, or you can say very difficult also. Yes, very difficult. Our life will become very difficult without water. So for that, what you have to do? You have to save water. By saving the water, we can have a beautiful future. Yes, future will be nice, like you can see in the half image. Yes, how the half image is this full greenery. If the water is there, then we will have a beautiful future. Now the next slide. पानी को बचाना जरूरी है. Pani means the lesson name itself. Yes. So look at the image. Yes, you have to save water. How? By one drop and drop you have to save the water. And look at the girl baby. What she is doing? She is closing the tap. So what's that mean? You have to save water everywhere, not at your house, in a school or outside. Whenever you saw something where leaking the water from the tap, it's your responsibility to close that. Yes, as a responsible person, you have to close that. How the girl is doing in the image. Look at the image. Yes, very nicely she is closing the tap. So what is the message here we are trying to say? Is that you have to save water. Save water for a wonderful future, for a beautiful future. Yes, because there is nothing without water. We can't do anything without the water. So it's our responsibility to save water, not by closing the tap, by the way you are using the water. Don't waste water. Yes, so do the correct usage of water. In that way also you can save the water. So pani ko bachana. Pani means water. Ko bachana means save. Zaruri hai means important. So saving the water is very important. The meaning of this sentence. पानी को बचाना जरूरी है. बचाना means save. बचाना means save. जरूरी means important. पानी को बचाना जरूरी है. Yes. So the first line. हम साफ पानी पीते हैं, that means we drink clean water. In your book they have given the meaning of साफ as pure also, so both are correct, pure or clean. So the first meaning sentence is हम साफ पानी पीते हैं, that means we drink clean water. The second one, हम ठंडे पानी से नहाते हैं, we take bath in cold water, the meaning of the sentence. Now the third slide, हमें नदी, तालाब और कुओं से पानी मिलता है, that means we are getting water from river, that is नदी, तालाब, that is pond, कुओं, that is well. So we are getting water from these three sources, that is नदी, तालाब and well, कुआं. The next one, पानी के बिना हमारा जीवन कठिन है. Without water our life is very difficult, or we can say impossible. The life is impossible without the water. And the last line, that is पानी को बचाना जरूरी है. It's very important to save water. Yes, everyone is clear with the lesson? पानी, that is water. Any doubts in that? Just put in a chat box if you have any doubts regarding this, or if you want to repeat any line, just put in a chat box. We will clarify your doubts, then we will go for the Shabdarth. Any doubts? Yeah, Rupavati ma'am, just check the chat box, ma'am, if there is any doubt.
No doubt. They are saying no doubt. They are saying no doubt.
Okay, yes, everyone is clear? Very good. Yeah.
Okay,
So we will have,
मैं पढ़ा लूँ मैम.
yeah. So we are going to see now Shabdarth. Yeah, ma'am, continue.
Okay. Thank you, Sadhana ma'am. ठीक है.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next we will see शब्दार्थ. शब्दार्थ का मतलब है मीनिंग्स, बट लेकिन अंग्रेजी में, दैट इज इन इंग्लिश. वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन इंग्लिश. अंग्रेजी में हम शब्दार्थ देखेंगे. ठीक है. पहला वन, पानी का मतलब है वाटर, which you already know that many times we know, and in the classroom also you should ask whether like ma'am क्या मैं पानी पी सकती हूँ for a girl. If a boy need a water, क्या पूछेगा वह? क्या मैं पानी पी सकता हूँ? Can I drink some water? So if a boy is there, he will ask सकता हूँ, और if a female child or a girl child, she will ask मैम क्या मैं पानी पी सकती हूँ? See the difference. So it is good to use Hindi words, no, in the classroom. ठीक है. So first one is पानी, that is water. अगला one, next one, दूसरा. See second one को दूसरा. ठीक है. साफ पानी. साफ मीन्स यू नो, साफ का मतलब है क्लीन. क्लीन, एकदम क्लीन. क्लीन पानी को हम साफ पानी कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, सी द डिफरेंस ऑफ पानी, सी द डिफरेंस ऑफ पीना. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? ओके, दिस इज पा, आखी मात्रा पा, न आखी मात्रा, ई की मात्रा, बड़ी ई की मात्रा नी. बट हियर प आखी मात्रा है और उसके ऊपर बड़ी ई की मात्रा, सो इट इज पी. Okay, see the difference, don't get confused. And you have here na. Then in that na you have a matra, aki matra. So what is that? Na. Na will change into na. So what is that? Peena. See the word, it is peena. So to drink. समझ में आए? So इसका मतलब है पीना, इसका मतलब है पानी. That is water, this is to drink. पीना का मतलब है to drink. ठंडा, cold, ठंडा. नहाते और नहाना और स्नान करना, उसको हम बात कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, नदी, that is the sources of water. We should keep clean, I told you, no, should not throw plastic bag. Where it is? River में नहीं, river, तालाब, pond, कुओं, well. Okay, so these three things are very important, should save this. Okay, next you have matl. Next what you have? Me, that is what matra it is? Ik की मात्रा, छोटी ik की मात्रा. Me, la, ता आखी मात्रा. So मिलता, to get. मिलता का मतलब क्या है? To get. We get, no? So we get, कहाँ से मिलती है? From where we get water? So मिलना means what? We get water. So बिना, बिना means without. बिना means क्या है? Without. So without water, without water, हमारा जीवन, जीवन means life. हमारा means ours. I told you, no? हमारा means ours. हमारा जीवन कठिन है. कैसा है हमारा जीवन? पानी के बिना हमारा जीवन कैसा है? कठिन. कठिन is very, very, very difficult. You cannot survive without water. और बचाना, you have to save. It is our responsibility. Okay, you have to save our pan. So bachana. So I told you, see this slide is also telling save the earth, because once you save the water, our earth is saved. So 13. Without that, it is very, very difficult to survive. ठीक है? Next, last one you have. Zaruri. Last slide, 15 you have zaruri. Zaruri means necessary. Okay, necessary. It is necessary to keep our water clean, safe. And इसका हमारे जीवन कैसी बनती है? हमारे जीवन बहुत ताजे means fresh. We feel everywhere. If there is a water, we feel everywhere fresh. Okay, so that is the zaruri है. ठीक है? I hope you have understood this slide also. ठीक है. साधना मैम.
Yeah, ma'am.
You are going to do that book exercise, ma'am?
No, ma'am, there is only 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay.
yeah,
Shall I ask
yeah.
question to them?
Yeah, yeah. you can.
Yes, can I raise a question? Okay. Bachos, let's play a game. Yes.
Ma'am, Mokshita sending that chat box in IDs, emojis and all, ma'am. Please check it, ma'am. There.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, Mokshita. Unmute yourself,
don't
dear.
send anything, ma'am. Link and all
Mokshita.
something they are sending, ma'am. Links and all.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Just now I have saw. Yeah, Mokshita, unmute yourself. Mokshita, quickly unmute. What's the link you are sending in a chat box, dear? Yes, Mokshita. If the teacher is calling, you have to quickly unmute, dear. Listen the class. When the teacher is teaching, just listen the class. Chat box is to send, clarify your doubts. Okay? You have to, if the teacher asks the question, you have to answer that. Or if you have any doubts, you can ask that. Don't send unnecessary messages in the chat box, dear. Okay? Don't repeat this and listen the class. Now, ma'am is going to ask some questions. Now, answer in chat box. That is why we have chat box here.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. The game is called Fatafat game. We are going to play a Fatafat. Means what? Quick game. Let's see who is answering. Okay. All the best. And hereafter, nobody will send any links, emojis, because what happened? It disturbed all the coordinators. See, teachers also disturbed, all your friends also disturbed. So hereafter, don't do that. Okay, अच्छे बच्चे, very good children, you know. Okay, only 2 minutes. Let's see. Let's begin a game. Okay, tell me what is pani? अंग्रेजी में टाइप करो. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. Super, super, super. Mithun, super, because it is very good for all, but only I can see the chat. Mithun, that's why I told his name. It is not that only one child. Super. Next question. Very difficult, very difficult question. Let's see. Gina. To live, very good, excellent, बढ़िया है. Life, superb. Gina, life, okay, superb. Now, next question, तालाब. तालाब का मतलब क्या है? तालाब आखी मात्रा है तालाब. Talab, pond, excellent. Those who typed pond, excellent. Those who typed wrong also, no problem. You can learn from your friend. बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छे बच्चे, showing so much interest. It gives enthu for me to ask so many difficult question also. One more question. Okay, let's see. What is the first step you will take? Okay, to save water. In simple sentence you write, no problem. What you will do? In the slide, we see a small child closing the tap. in her classroom or in the bathroom or wherever it is. What you will do? First step, a small step. Use less water. We should super save water. Okay. So many things you are typing. Excellent. It shows that you're understanding what we are saying. We are teaching, though we are teaching in Hindi, you understand. Clean tap, close tap. Okay. So one more thing, what I told, how to keep our pond well and talab, how you will keep, you will make it dirty? You do, oh, superb. We should not waste water. Superb. Though you are in class 2, you are saying so many things, really feel happy. Ma'am, now baj gaye.
Yeah,
So we
yeah,
have
it's 9 o'clock, ma'am. The session is going to
yeah,
end
okay.
now.
Thank you, bachcho.